So I thought, what should I say? Well, firstly, I would like to correct a few things. Okay? My name is not Khurshid Ali Khan. Okay? As I've been quoted. Also, I'm not a Niyazi Pathan, and I'm not in any way related to Imran Khan. Okay? I was the first project director for Namal University in terms of establishing it in Miyawali, or close to Miyawali. And my only connection to him at that time was he was our chancellor, and I persuaded him in our first meeting not to establish a college, but to establish a university. And my reward for that was, well, okay, you'll lead that in the first. So I was a project director for the first few years. Alhamdulillah, another project I was privileged to surge. For your information, and if anybody forgets my middle name, I've known my two names. Khurshid Khan within my community and family, and Muhammad Khan, also having grown up in the UK where they don't use a middle name. And also in Pakistan, I was known as Muhammad Khan, okay? During my Pepsi Cola days as well. So if you forget my middle name, I have a very simple name, Muhammad Khan. And I actually answer to both names equally well. The other thing is I'm also not a Niyazi. I come from the Chach area, which is just across the river. But my tribal affiliation is Musa Khair, from, I think, Durrani sect, okay? So that's a qualification.